Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So this video is going to be basically based on my locomotive update, because as you see, these two locomotives are not new to the layout because I've had these for quite a while. You may be wondering why I have these here. Well, because if one of you guys remember, if in one of my live chats I did on one of my holiday premieres that had NS8099 in it, I once said in the live chat that the Southern Heritage unit broke down because for some reason the locomotive kept running, having power, short circuits, and it also runs slow. So apparently, I decided to just take the locomotive out because the locomotive has broken down. So what I did is I contacted ScaleTrains, contact their product support, and then I asked them to send me some motors. So I asked them to send them 2 motors. So basically they sent me 2 motors, one for my 8099 and the one for my BNSF 4232, which are both my ScaleTrains rivet counters Jiba locomotives, the ES44. So both of them had motor problems because, this one had one too, this one also had one too as well. They had motor problems and then run very slow. So, and right here, these are the motors. So here's the one, and here's another one. So I got 2 motors here to show you. So these are the old motors that I taken out. As well. So I just took out these motors, and after that, I put in new motors that ScaleTrains sent me because basically they gave me the no charge, because depending on your warranty, if you haven't had the locomotive for at least 1 or 2 years, they may have to charge you warranty because that's basically the warranty policy for ScaleTrains. So there's that. So we're just gonna set this out of the way so you can get the better view of the locomotives. So there they are. So basically, I have 2 of these locomotives fixed, so they'll be back on the layout soon. You'll see them in operating sessions coming soon. So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm really glad that I was able to fix these. It's actually quite easy to do that. You just basically swap out the motor, then you just solder the wires to the board inside the shell, and then you're good to go. And sometimes, and also the best thing to do, and before you test it, sometimes they can make strange noises. So the best thing you could do is you're going to need this. I thought I'd show you what this is. You're going to need this, the Labelle 106 grease. You're going to need that. And also if optional, you can also use this as well, the Labelle 107 oil. Because I usually did that, and that basically stopped the weird noises that they were making once I put the new motor in. Because that's happened last time when I repaired my CSX Tier 4 Jibo 3364 and my BNSF 5831. So there's that. So those are just some little advice I give you guys when you want to repair your ScaleTrains locomotives. So there's that. So anyways, so as you can see, I have the motors, the 2 motors here, the Labelle 107, and as well as the Labelle grease. So basically what this does is because, applies more power, it allows more friction, so that's why you use those. Because, when you go around curves, the locomotives need more friction to move. So there's that. So anyways, that's going to be all for this locomotive update video. Hope you guys find this helpful when you want to swap motors for ScaleTrains locomotives, as well as applying grease and oil to the gear shafts, which the gear shafts are located usually somewhere right between the trucks. That's where you apply it, so that way the locomotives will not make strange noises. So yeah, anyways, that's going to do for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, everybody.